my shoulders a little bit, you know, you see that? Maybe my chest too. Wait, if I hold my breath into it.
Jeez. Very vascular indeed.
Don't do it for too long. You should get really lightheaded.
We're going to be measuring Gio's biceps and forearms.
All right.
So biceps.
So is this left arm, right arm?
This is left arm.
All right, left arm.
It's 13, like 0.4.
All right, 13.4 inches on that. Go ahead, get that forearm.
All right.
Close it up. And what do we got going on right here?
12.
Pretty close.
Okay, that's pretty good. All right.
I feel like this one's going to be bigger than the left.
Bicep flex.
13 and a half.
Hey.
I'm a boy.
Oh.
13.
13?
Yeah.
So what are the measurements like in comparison?
All right, so this is off 0.5, but that makes sense. I'm a righty.
All right, that was good stuff.
Left hand. It's pretty easy. That's fun though. I like that you can like play it like the piano, like I said. And then what's this right here?
That's an iron tug, number 4.
Huh. It's pretty cool. Looks thick. It kind of reminds me of like those little corn dogs, you know? The corn dog bites. And there's this one right here. It's pretty fun. I like that rubber grip. And how much was this one again, though?
100 pounds.
100 pounds. Oh, I'm struggling with those. And then these would be also 100 pounds?
150.
Oh, yeah, you can clearly see that my right, it's better than my left, I think. Plus the weird pinkness on my fingers. And then this one's like 200, approximate 160. Ah. Yeah, my right's definitely stronger than my left. And then this one's the 198. Ah. Yep. Oh, that's
Check
just
out the
about it.
veins on this man.
Yeah, I got
Go ahead, show that to the camera real quick. Jeez, look at this man go. Oh, Lord. You try that hardest one right there?
This one right here?
Yeah, at the end. What's that one again, Colin?
That's 2.5.
2.5. Damn. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, you moved that. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I moved it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Dang.
Woo!
Gio showing the folks that grip.
Yeah. This would probably be more inflated if I didn't have the watch on, but I'm too lazy to take it off, and it probably smells by now. That was me with grip check.
Ready, go.
That's how left.
Left now? Yeah. Alrighty. So how would you turn this one around then? Because I know how to do this. Just
Okay.
turn that around, but...
So just put it to the right of it now.
Oh, okay. Simple physics. No. Alright.
Peep those veins, by the way. Oh my God. All right.
Ready, go.
Wait, I forgot he normally beats me left. Wait, remember use that back pressure, Gio. That lat. Oh, there it is. There you go. That's what I do it. Oh, that was it. GG.
All right.